Have you seen what's happening with PFSA stock recently? The chart is showing a very sharp move, and many people are confused about what this actually means. In today's video, we are going to break down Profusa stock step by step. We will look at the chart, understand the current trend, and see what signals the market is giving right now. Make sure you watch till the end because the chart structure here is very important to understand. And just a quick note, this video is for educational purpose only. Today we are looking at Profusa Incorporation stock, a company listed on the Nasdaq under the ticker PFSA. The company operates in the health technology space, focusing on biosensors and innovative monitoring solutions. Before we begin, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and viewers should always do their own research. Recently, this stock has shown extreme volatility, which makes it important to understand both the fundamentals and the chart behavior before forming any opinion. Now, let's talk about the chart structure. If we look at the long-term trend, the stock was previously trading at significantly higher levels and remained relatively stable for a period of time. However, there is a sharp and sudden breakdown visible on the chart where the price dropped aggressively in a short span. This type of move often indicates a major shift in market sentiment. After the drop, the stock entered a prolonged downtrend with price staying near its lower range and showing weak recovery attempts. Currently, the chart suggests low momentum and lack of strong buying pressure. For any trend reversal, the stock would need to form a stable base and show consistent higher high and higher lows, which is not clearly visible at this stage. So overall, the chart is reflecting weakness with a need for confirmation before any directional change. A stock like this can be highly unpredictable and may carry significant risk due to volatility and uncertainty. It is important to focus on risk management, avoid emotional decisions, and always wait for proper confirmation signals on the chart. Long-term sustainability depends on both company performance and market confidence, not just short-term price moment. In conclusion, this stock is currently in a weak technical phase, and any decision should be based on careful analysis and personal research. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content.
So overall, Profusa stock right now is showing a weak structure on the chart, and it's important to wait for proper confirmation before forming any strong opinion. Always focus on learning, risk awareness, and making decisions based on clear analysis, not emotions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and educational stock breakdowns. I will see you in the next video.